How to turn off new post Flair notifications on Reddit. Today, guys, I will show you how to do this. Make sure that you like and subscribe in the channel. So let's start. First, you will just go to Reddit, then open it. And after this, when your Reddit is opening, go here to your profile icon, click on it, and then go to settings. And on settings, guys, go to account settings, then go to manage notifications, then go down a little and you will find here new post Flair, and now turn off this by clicking here, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.